Hey, good morning everyone. We're getting ready to go to Colorado. I just wanted to show you my anti-sway bar. It's right there. Got it on Amazon. And it comes with this plate. I had to drill, well, they can put in 5 holes, but I had to drill that. I think I got it on backwards, but it's working for me. But that goes on the tongue. And then I had to purchase this adapter to put on my receiver that's got this little extra ball out here. So what we'll do is this goes on here, and then on the ball down under. Oops, I can loosen this up a little bit. Goes on the ball under there. They give you these 2 pins. I lost 1 pin, but I got another one at the hardware store. That keeps it from coming loose. And there you go. That pin's in. Then I'll put this other pin in here. And then by tightening this down, it pushes this plate against the silver plate, the silver bar, and that's what causes the friction to prevent the trailer from swaying. So you can put on as much pressure as you want or as little pressure as you want based on your needs. I'm going to go about right there today. There's a little bit of breeze, but anyway, that's it. It works good. I don't really need the big bars, the big anti-sway traction bars or whatever for this small little camper, lightweight camper. You don't really need the extra heavy-duty stuff. This works fine. And anyway, that's it. Thanks.